Today, we will be testing a QQE-based trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a QQE-based trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 520 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a QQE-based trading strategy. And so the source video says, this secret to always winning trades with TradingView. A little bit weird on the grammar, kind of hard to understand what they're saying, but obviously they claim to have a secret that will have you always winning. Now, of course, we know every strategy, every indicator is eventually going to take a losing trade, and so right off the source video's title is a little bit misleading, but we'll put the strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. So we'll just hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the QE cross indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings. Go to the inputs. You're going to change the slow length to 17, the RSI smoothing factor to 3, and then the RSI threshold to 9. Jump into the styles and uncheck all of these selections except for these two, the QQE 0 cross, over and under. Then go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the QQE weighted oscillator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And I believe everything here stayed on the default settings. No need to change anything there. Actually, I take that back. I do believe that some of the settings within here changed. Yes, they did. And so just double check that the length is 12, the smoothing is 4, the weight is 3, and then change your source to QQE V4MA slow. Then go ahead and click OK. Before we take a look at a few trade setups, I'd like to introduce our newest partner. This is Will from Will Trades. He is a very talented and profitable futures and prop firm trader. With over 6 years of experience, every single morning, he is helping his Discord team become just as profitable as he is. Each morning for his entire Discord team, he points out the key levels where he is looking to take the trades for the day. Not only does he call out those key levels for everybody on the Discord, but he calls out exactly when he is taking those trades in real time. So everyone on Discord can take those trades in real time side by side with him as he is calling those out. And just to show you what is possible when you join his Discord, I've been going through the profits that is posted by his team every single day. You can get a risk-free 5-day free trial when you sign up using the link down below in my description. And when you use that link down below in the description, not only will you get access to Will's Discord, but you'll also get access to the Academy of Forex Discord absolutely free with all the benefits, including the free trial to our indicator that comes with joining that Discord. And so what we're looking for a long trade is we are looking for a blue buy signal or buy arrow from the QQE cross indicator. And you can see here that it looks like this right here. It's faint, it's a light blue, and the signal says XZ on it. And so, but once we get that light blue signal right there, or up arrow, we're then going to look down to the QQE weighted oscillator. And what we want is we want it to be this greenish colored background here instead of the reddish color like this here. And so once those two line up, that'll be the signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade here, put our stop just right below this pivot area, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so sorry for the technical difficulties here. TradingView is having some issues with the bar replay. I believe it's my internet. We had a few strong storms roll through here just a few moments ago, and I think it kind of bugged out my internet a little bit. So we had the trade set up right here. We had that blue up arrow and little tag and the blue background on the oscillator here. And we had our trade set right here, and you can see that we run into some consolidation. Then this really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, for a short trade here, we'll leave this one, well, we'll go ahead and delete the line, just so that way we can see. So we get a purple down arrow right here with that XZ mark there, and you look down to the oscillator and we have this red background to the oscillator, and that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. We'd put our trade right here. We would put our stop just right above this kind of pivot area right here, maybe even above that wick if you wanted to, and then we target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward. And so as you can see, we make this really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades, putting that at a 40% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. It means that your total loss would have been $12,000. And that would have put your total profit and loss right at $0 or break even, not including any spreads or commissions, and so most likely down a decent little amount. And so definitely not going to keep you in winning trades always, as the source video claims. Now, during the same period of time, we did 42 trades with the Academy of Forex Indicator. We had right at a 78% win rate and a total gain right at $19,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.